Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd Deals. I'm back with another review and this time it is SaveMyLeads. SaveMyLeads allows you to transfer your lead data to over 120 plus platforms. A lot of the times our lead data or the contact information of our prospects are on platforms like Facebook Ad Manager or Google Ads Manager, and on these platforms we cannot really manage this lead data properly. This is exactly where you will need SaveMyLeads. It sends those lead data from platforms like Google and Facebook Ad Manager to more convenient platforms such as Google Sheet. So once the data is in Google Sheet, you can organize your data in a more effective way, and you can also manage, interact and perform different types of actions with your data without any type of problem. So these are all the key features of SaveMyLeads. You can get instantly new data from a platform to another without downloading any types of CSV. You can also automate email and SMS responses from SaveMyLeads. And there is also the option to notify your customers of new leads. So these are some of the integrations you can do with SaveMyLeads. We will get to that a little bit later. And these are all the pricing and plans of SaveMyLeads. So there are 4 plans in the yearly package. The start package costs $15 per month, basic $29, business $79, and the agency costs $399. There is also a monthly plan which is going to cost $19 every month for start and $39 for basic, $99 for business and $499 for agency. If you think the subscription plans are expensive, you can simply buy SaveMyLeads on a lifetime deal. This is currently available on AppSumo. So by paying only $49, you can get lifetime access to SaveMyLeads. And if you want to buy from AppSumo, you can check the link in the descriptions. Now let's see all the features that you are going to get from AppSumo deal of SaveMyLeads. So these are all the features. You can send Facebook lead notifications to CRM, email or SMS. There are real-time lead sync, unlimited ad account, unlimited ad forms and so many other features. Currently, SaveMyLeads offer 3 licenses on AppSumo. The license tier 1 costs $49, which gives you the option to create 25 connections and you can use 5,000 leads per month. Whereas the tier 2 costs $99 and the connections are unlimited and there are 20,000 leads, and the last tier, which is tier 3, costs $149. Once again the connections are unlimited and there are going to be 150,000 leads per month. After you log in to SaveMyLeads, you will get a dashboard like this. You can see currently I have 0 connections. So what are the connections? When you want to send your lead data from a platform to another, there are going to be 2 platforms, right? And you will have to connect both of them from this section. So once you have 2 platforms connected, you will get a connection in here, and currently I have 0 connections. On the top you can see the leads usage. So currently on my account I have a usage limit of 10,000 leads. I have used 0 leads. You can also see the limit from here. As you can see, I have 10 connections and 10,000 leads of limit. So on the right side, the first tab is obviously the connection, and then you have the integration tab. So these are all the integrations that are possible with SaveMyLeads. And then you have your billing section, and the last section is your account settings. So on this account settings, there is a crucial setting that you may need to change, which is notification settings. So these are all the notifications you are going to get through email. So if you don't want a particular email notification, you can uncheck that option from here. So let me get back to the connections tab. I am going to show you how you can send lead data to a platform from another. So the first thing you have to do is click on create connection. There are 3 platforms that you can import your data or bring your data. Those are Facebook, Google Lead Form and webhooks. Once the data is imported, you can send them to these platforms, and there are over 120 plus. To be precise, it is 127 platforms that you can send your lead data. So I'm going to show you how to import lead data from Google Lead Form and then send that lead data to Google Sheet. So there are 3 steps that you have to go through to send your lead data from Google Lead Form to Google Sheets. The first step is to set up your account, specifically the account that is going to be used to import your lead data or collect your lead data. So let's connect the account. The first thing I want to do is give the account a name. So I'm going to give it account 1. So as you can see, the account has been created and you obviously have to select it. And the next box is the URL. This is exactly the URL that is going to receive all your lead data from your account. So this is a very crucial URL. And when you are importing your data, for example, you can import your data from Google Ads Manager. In that case, you will need this URL for integration purposes, and you can find all the integration tutorials on the right side. So there is a video guide for every single integration you can do on this platform. You can simply play the video and then watch the tutorial. So the first step is complete. I'm going to continue. And this is the next step. So in this step, we are going to set up the account that are going to be used as the receiver of your lead data. Let me show you how. In this page, you will have to give some permissions, give all the permissions that are needed, and then continue. So as you can see, my account has been added. I have to select this account. And then I have to select exactly the file, exactly the Google Sheet file that is going to receive all the lead data from Google Lead Form. So I am going to do that. And then I have to choose the sheet. You may already know that when a Google Sheet is created, there can be more than one sheet. So if there are multiple sheets on this file, you can select a single sheet or a specific sheet from here. So there is only one sheet, so I'm going to select that. And as you can see, all the data has been imported. So all the data are organized in different columns. If you want, you can make modifications. You can edit this data from here. And if everything looks fine, you will have to click on continue. As you can see, the lead sending successfully configured, which means the data from Google Lead Form has been successfully imported. However, if I open the sheet file that is supposed to receive the lead data, it is still empty because there is still one step that I have not completed. I have to click on send test data to Google Sheet. And now if you check the sheet, you can see the data has been successfully received. This is really fast and very accurate. So once the data has been successfully imported to your Google Sheet, you can click on Finish Setup. And now we are back to the Connections tab. And as you can see, there is currently one connection, the connection that I have just created. And you can send this connection to a different group if you want. If there are multiple connections, you can organize them into different groups by creating groups from here. And on this tab, you can see all the activated and deactivated connections. There is a really useful feature in this Connections tab, which is auto update. So if you check this auto update feature or enable this auto update feature, it means your Google Sheet will receive all the latest data from Google Lead Form, which means if the Google Lead Form is updated with new data, that exact data will be sent to Google Sheets if you turn on this option. So I recommend having this option enabled. In the similar way, you can connect so many connections, and all of the connections will appear in this section, and you can edit or modify them and even delete them if you want. And now if you go back to the Integrations tab, you can see all the platforms that have been connected. So I have connected my Google Lead Form. I have also connected my Google Sheet. I currently have 2 accounts connected. In this way, all the connections will appear in here if you are connected to them. So overall, SaveMyLeads is an excellent tool that allows you to transfer lead data from a platform to over 120 plus platforms, which is amazing because I do not think there are many tools that allow this many integration options. And I found all the integrations to be super easy. Even if you face any problem while integrating or connecting a platform to another, you can simply watch a tutorial which gives detailed instruction on how to connect a platform. And if you want to buy Save My Leads, you can get it on a lifetime deal from AppSumo at only $49. You can get the link on the description box. And with the AppSumo deal, you get a lot of useful features such as Facebook lead notifications to CRM email, real-time lead sync, unlimited ad account, unlimited ad forms, auto failure resync. I also really like how they have included all future integrations with the AppSumo deal. So there are already 127 integration options, and in the future there will be more integration capabilities, and with these AppSumo deals you will get all those future integrations. So I think this is a deal that should not be missed if you are into lead generation business. So that's it for our today's video. I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you do, make sure to like this video, also subscribe to our channel for many more videos like this.